like, oh man, you can see my lemon head.
Sucking on those sugar fingers.
Okay, we ready? He's not even paying attention to the shower washing his hair. He's like, I'm at a salon. I need my move. Check out the Elvis, Ma. There. There. Oh my gosh, that felt so good. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Does he know I get to eat little bubbles after this? Okay. Put you over here. Put this on you. I am the king of the forest. Get that dewy towel for me. Awesome. Yes. How do you like them apples? Trimp them curl, trimp them curl. Oh, look it. He's got grandma's curls. You got more curls than I do. You got more hair than I do. Jeez, Mom. Jeez, look at Mom. Check me out. Hi, awesome. Ooh. Ooh. Woo. You did good. Ooh, give me that sour look. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, we better get the brush. Mama wants the brush on your